Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How Logical YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your name in Happn app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Happn app, and once you open it, and make sure you have already logged in as well. And now right after that, you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Happn apps on the screen, where you can see your profile picture at the top right corner of this dashboard. Simply tap on that profile picture and now you can see your username at the top. So let's tap on the edit my profile, and you can see there is no any options to change your profile. You can also see in about me section there are age, gender, city and so on, but there is no any options to change your name. And if you tap on the preview your profile, then you can see there is also none of the option to change your name. So if you are new user, then what you can do is you simply need to get back and you can see the settings option at the bottom of this screen. Let's tap on the settings option, and now let's tap on the my data, and finally you can see the delete my account. You simply need to delete your account, and yeah, after that you can create your new account and you can change your name afterward. So basically this is how you can change your name in Happn app, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this pretty helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.